Hello, my name is Ethan Hawker, and I am teaching first hour AP Calculus AB. And this is a short video to talk about that class and the upcoming year. A little bit about me. There's my email address. If you ever have questions, please don't be afraid to shoot me an email. This is actually my 27th year in teaching, 26 at Heartland, and I've kind of done a little bit of everything. I was teaching 20 years in the high school. About 10 of those years were AP Calculus back in a few years ago. I stopped after 20 years teaching math to become the math instructional coach for the district. I did that for a couple years, and then I went to farms as an assistant principal for almost 4 years. Last year, I don't know, I missed teaching. I like to teach in math. I really enjoy teaching AP Calculus, and I was hopeful to get back in the classroom, and I was lucky enough for it to happen. So I came back last year, taught some stats, and this year I'm lucky to have an AP Calc class in the morning. So I'm excited to meet your kids. It's been a great start, and it's been fun to talk calculus with them so far, and lots more to talk about. My family lives in the area as well. My son, we just moved into U of M. He's a freshman, and my daughter is a sophomore. My wife is a vet in Union Lake. I do enjoy golf. I play a lot of golf. I play some basketball, and I'm getting back into the game of chess. That's me. Let's talk AP Calc. I guess my main goal is to prepare them for that AP test. Whether they're taking it or not, that's what this class is in preparation for. I teach it in a way that the kids will be ready for those types of questions, that level of knowledge, and it will help in the long run. It will help prepare them for their college calculus courses, but specifically we are focused, and our target is the test in the spring. I'll talk more about that in a second. The syllabus, I have attached our syllabus / course expectations to the email I sent. I encourage you to take a look through that. That will give you a more clear idea as to what this class is about. What to bring to class: students should bring a calculator if they have one, and be ready to discuss calculus. Be ready to be active learner each and every day. There is a Google Classroom, so I encourage your students are all in there. But if you ever want to see what we're doing, where we're at, log into that, and you can see what we're doing on a daily basis. I post calendar as well as daily lessons, so you can keep up with that. Grading, this is a very heavy summative assessment. Tests weigh 90% of their grade. Daily classwork does count for their grade. It's a 10% slice, and it's more of just a way to let them know where they're at along the learning journey that it takes to get to those unit tests. Okay, we do allow students to drop the one worst test per semester. So if they do have a bad day, it's not going to hurt their grade. It is definitely something we're going to need to work on, because we want them to be proficient in all of the standards so that they're ready for that test in the spring. Okay. Communication is a big deal between me and the students, and also between me and you. If you have questions or concerns or anything, let's talk about it. I'm here to help your kids, which a lot of times means we need to help each other to make it the best for them. I say this to the students. I'm going to say this here. I guess the thought process I want them to have throughout the year, and myself, is to pursue success. Pursue means you're going after it, and expect nothing but the best. Be successful. And that's a little bit about this class. The AP test, there will be more specifics coming out very soon from our test coordinator and from me. It is not required. I tell the kids I'm teaching towards that test, but it doesn't mean that you all have to take it. We all have different reasons why we're in this class and where we're heading. Some kids are going to be engineers, some kids are not. So as long as it's thought through and decisions are being made, me, student, home, as to whether that AP test is appropriate or not, I'm good to go either way. You should be aware that Different colleges accept different things. Where you're thinking about going is where you need to do a little Googling or a phone call or an email to find out what AP Calculus AB score is required and how many credits it will offer your student. Some will take 3, 4s, and 5s. Some will just take 4s and 5s. Some will just take 5s. So it's important you know what they're expecting so that there's no surprises. Okay. Please, once we pass out that info, if you have more questions, let me know. But info should be coming soon. All right, that's a pretty quick rundown on AP Calculus. You may have more questions. Talk to your son or daughter. Talk to me, and I'll be happy to take care of you. All right, thank you.